In this video, we are going to see how we can install the Instagram app on the latest iOS on any iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and I'm using the latest iOS version, but it will work for all the iOS versions out there. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just find the App Store on your phone. Here it is. We click on it. And at the bottom, you will see the search bar. From here, you can search for any app. I'll just write Instagram, click on it. And there you will find a couple of Instagram versions, but just remember that you don't need to install the Instagram Lite version. You will install this full version named Instagram. And next to it is this Get button. You click on that and it will start installing right away after the verification. So just wait for the download process to complete. And once that is downloaded, we will open that up, click on the open button next to it. And we can click on get started, or if you already have a profile, we click on I have a profile. You can enter your credentials right here, but let's create a new one. Click on get started. And I want to sign up with an email address. I'll click next. This is a sample email. And you will receive the verification code on that specific email. So we will mention it here. Click next. Click next, mention your date of birth, and let's mention the full name. I'll just mention at Upskill-Edu. Click on next. You can select any username. I'll just again select Upskill-Edu, but make sure that is unique and available. So I've chosen this username. Click on next. Click on I agree. And now it's getting started. We click on next, allow while using the app. Click on continue. Now you can select or skip the contacts, select contacts later. I'll just select that. You can add a photo if you want to, otherwise you can skip it from the top. You can skip all of these options, skip the mobile number, skip, and now you land on the main screen. So that is how you can install Instagram on an iPhone and create a brand new Instagram ID. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.